Na-join ako sila dito. Sige. Nagigaling tayo dito. Loan yung scam nila. Ba yun? Huwag kayo paano? Ha? Wag na lang isa na yung noob ako. Diba dito ako sa Pilipinas? Bet nakita mo yung hat ko. Ganyan, iba vlog. Sino ba magipatay dyan? Sino ba ipapatay? Sino ba ipapatay dito sa team ng red team natin?
Oh no, not that. Not now. You know, whatever's in your mind right now.
Eh, hindi mo kayo mali. Kuha.
There's one thing I know about love is the world.
Di, masan kayo. Konti na lang tayo. Dito, sa stage natin. So, naman yun? Ba yan?
Okay, there's this.
Roman yung score nila.
You're afraid that it's gonna turn everything.
Okay, so.
Ogres, fairies, leprechauns.
Guys, ipatapatay pa ako dyan. No! Bayan, look! Bayan. Boom! Ang lawyers ko pa sila.
Which she apparently put a hex on to remind her of the
Ayan yung rating mo. Uy! Alis ka dito sa team natin! Gusto natin ikaw. Yun! Deserve it! Sino ba dito sa team natin?
Oh crap. This place is a mess.
Boy, yun. Noise! Stand lang yan, guy. Stand lang yan. May sumay. Ha? Ang tinawin mo? Huh? Dito, Epe! Ha? Kano ko team natin yan? Patay pa? Boinks. Deserve. Sinilin mo ang dito. Ano pa ang free? Ano ba yung free? Ay, expensive. Ito.
Chocolate can't be trusted to help us.
Expensive!
They've always been there for us.
Ano saan yung bill ko? Expensive din. Sino ba sa team natin? Yung blue?
They don't care anymore. Like last year when they took our new identities. Skipping away from the fight once for lunches at the pie. They did it to stop
Na.
Just one of the many threats they saved us from. They stopped the source.
Sino ba ipatay sa akin?
Triad.
Sige ikuha mo yung flag natin Deserve.
They don't anymore.
Yeah.
They don't care enough to protect us from...
Pero, wag kayo magikuha ng flag natin. Boy. Oh! Ba yun? Ang duga. I mean, galing naman niya. Galing yan.
Nakuha niya yung flag niya?
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Opo, hindi. Ba yun? Wait! Deserve it! ChatGPT!
Wala pa rin yung structure.
Noise! Ay, hindi pala siya patay. Bro! Bakit Johnny shoot? Bro, sa sky? Sabi niya, do not better kill my teammates. Oh, sino ba yan? Ay, ikaw ay kuha natin yung flagaman, ah. Sige, ah. Sige, ah. Sige, sige. Oh, hindi, patay mo ko. Napatay mo ko kanina! Your flag was stolen. Ha? May dalawa tayo. Hello, sorry. Okay, yung noise! Sorry. Buyon! Ang magaling naman nila. Well, low score. Ang galing naman tayo dito. Red team. Apa ako madami. Ang lagis. Gusto mo na yung sigaw. Yung koneso mo. Look at the flag. Noise. I-protect ko lang yung flag. Ano ba yan? Protect ko nga yung flag naman. Yes! Panalo tayo, guys! Ano team kayo? Red team or blue? Bayan, no, na! Maduga! No. Ay! One score na lang tayo!
I'm trying to find a deeper meaning. Please go.
Guys, gusto ako mag-iba team na. Wait lang. Okay guys, leave ako sa server kasi madugan na sila kasi nanuk na sila. So, ulit na ako. Nice. Bro, wait lang na. Guys, na ulit ako. Yung friends ko, laro lang this world. Bayan, patay ako dyan. Ha?
Sabi kita mag-type.
Ma!
Oh, ayan. Ano nangyari? Oh, ayaw ko. Ano nangyari?
May I help you?
Ayan guys, wait lang. Ayan guys. Ha?
It's under attack.
Malis.
Left and right.
Red team is us. The same pa din tayo sa game. Ito.
I can't help you. I need to be here for when Leo comes home.
Noise! Noob.
That's just
Noob man sila.
I just took you there.
Sino ba di? Kundi ba lang tayo dito? 4 lang tayo. Nice ba yun? Yun, yung punta dyan.
They're attacking us all!
Sino ba dito? Meron ako na busugan. Nabili ko to kay mama. Yung iraro tayo together ng ito. Oh, sino ba yan? Sino ba yan, Nick? Patay sa akin! Huwag kayo magipatay sa akin. Iraro, i-video ako yung may boses ko.
Spellcast on you as well.
Huwag kayo.
I don't know what happened. 1 second I was talking to
Please, may love naman ako.
attacking him.
See?
So, sexually. Who do you think did this to us?
Oh!
Silly.
No.
Knows us well enough to use our past against us. Ooh, I'm gonna kill you.
Guys,
Where you been?
ipapatayin nila ako.
Question is, what do we do? They seem to be one step ahead of us. I mean, we tried to warn our friends.
Bago ba
Now
to?
I think we've abandoned them. Yeah, well, we need to find them and change their minds. The only way to do that is to save them.
saved. Not by you. For years we thought you were on our side.
Ano
Counted
ba
on
yun?
you.
Isa!
And to live
Isa lang ako dito sa cart ko. Isa lang natin.
We wanted to save you, but something
Patay-kill ng iba. Yung iba tips. Yun! Na-win tayo.
good friends are
Ha? Wait, maduga. Nanok na sila.
you were right about you.
Ayun, isa na.
twisting everything. It's not what you
Wait,
think.
wait na lang tayo. I love you. And I like you. I watch your videos. Will not. I don't watch your videos. I only subscribe you.
Here. I don't know. I ain't from magic.
This game.
You must have...
Let's play this game.
Wait, so there's demons up there and we're stuck in the underworld? We're the bad guys now.
So, okay.
Well, how did
Huh?
that happen? What are we gonna do now?
Ngayon sa'yo napunta tayo. Okay, iba na sa reto. Blue? Sige! Blue team wins. Forever. Ay! Tulusog na sa isang ka! Isumbong ako sa teacher ko yan.
They won't give up. They'll attack Billy.
Mga away dito.
And so will begin the ultimate battle.
Ay, mga
Destroy
away.
all the witches, including Billy. And we can destroy
Ayan na so yan. Ang galing nila dito. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There's two brothers. Sige. Bye-bye guys. Laro na tayo. Ito. Wait lang. Hindi. Ito pala.